Mastering polite goodbyes. I must be going. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, I must be going. This phrase is much more than a simple goodbye. It's a polite, nuanced way of excusing oneself. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some handy alternatives to enhance your conversational skills. I must be going is a polite expression used when someone decides it's time to leave. It's more formal and considerate than a straightforward, goodbye, or, I'm leaving. The phrase implies that you have other commitments or that you respect the time and space of the person you're speaking with. Casual social gatherings. In informal settings, such as a friend's party or a casual meetup, I must be going is a soft, friendly way to say goodbye without appearing rude or abrupt. Professional or formal settings. In work-related or formal events, using I must be going shows respect for the occasion and the people around you. It conveys that you're mindful of the time and the agenda. While I must be going is universally understood and accepted, you might want to use different phrases to add variety to your conversations. Here are some alternatives. 1. I should get going. A bit more casual, still polite. 2. It's time for me to head out. Informal, yet clear. 3. I need to take off. Casual, commonly used among friends. 4. I have to run. Implies urgency, very informal. Remember, the tone of your voice and your body language can also help convey your message respectfully and effectively. I must be going is a versatile, polite phrase suitable for various situations, signaling that it's time to leave without being abrupt or impolite. Understanding when and how to use it, along with its alternatives, can significantly enhance your conversational skills in English. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more confident in excusing yourself in English. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.